You could be anywhere in the world right now, but you're here with me, Expediting America. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Expediting America. Do me a favor, hit that like button, comment below, and if you haven't done it yet, please subscribe to the channel. Today we have a direct shipment from here in Lincoln, Rhode Island to Findlay, Ohio. So let's see how it pans out. Hope you all enjoy. Should have more than enough room. We're taking 3 pallets. Alright, so the paperwork told me that the dimensions for these pallets was going to be 48 inches by 48 inches. But it turns out they're actually smaller, like 38 by 38 in dimensions. So I went ahead and asked my guy Mateo if we can go ahead and start putting the pallets back farther in the van so I could put my bed down and have enough room to sleep good tonight. And that's exactly what we did. In all honesty, if we couldn't put the bed down because the freight was too large, we would be just fine, because I'm pretty sure we're going to deliver this directly and get there about 6:30 a.m. So right now, if I step back, you can see I got my bed put up. People want to see how my bed is. It's literally on hinges down there, and it comes down like that. But as you can see, we have 1 pallet, 2 pallets, and then if I squeeze by here, we still got room for 1 more. So I think we're good over here, and I'll still be able to keep my bed down. There's my closet. Toilet paper is a necessity, because all the toilet paper out here is like air with layers, layered air. It's not even paper. Yep. Anybody wants to see me out here on these streets and want to hoop, let me know. Any of you expediters. Thank you, thank you. I already got the paperwork, so we're good to go? We're good to go, man. All right, brother, thank you. Look at that. Still got room to spare. All right, now for those of you who are out there wondering about the specs of the van that I drive, it's a 2020 Mercedes Sprinter van 2500, 170 wheelbase extended with a high roof. The engine is a 3.0 liter turbo diesel, and I believe it can haul about 3,400 to 3,600 pounds total. We're loaded up. I'm gonna strap in, get the confirmation from dispatch. And you already know the rest. We're gonna hit the road. Y'all did not see this either. This is, well, what I'm doing here, this is actually a scenic tour. See, this is the parking lot. Like, this is like this corner of the parking lot where obviously nobody parks. So just so you guys know, if you need a place to park, This place is a great parking selection. Everyone's over here. See that? Okay. And I do have my seatbelt off right now just because we're in the vicinity. I'm just breaking so many rules. I'm gonna go ahead and plug that in for now just because that's annoying. What is this lady doing out here? She must have just got off her shift. She's like, this dumbass driving in here. He must be doing the scenic tour. We'll back up to this big door right here. That's where they're gonna unload me. At least it's not pouring right now. That's good. Oh yeah. I got a drop off over here, a Sprinter van, 3 pallets. Listen here, mother. I ain't playing no games. Fool. Just kidding. How you doing? On the Sprinter van, I got 3 pallets. You want me to pull up to that ramp over there? Yeah. You tell him, Bubba. Unload us now. Hurry up. My dad needs to sleep. We're doing it, Bubba. We're backing out. We're backing out. All right, so my company covered my deadhead miles. That leaves me with 745 miles. The job paid $875 gross. So $306.25 goes to the van owner, $207 for gas, $14 for tolls. Leaves me with $347.75. Alright, it's all in the legs. It's all in the legs. Here we go. Should I push it off? Should I push it off? There we go. I am so ready for sleep. It's not many nights that I pushed through all the way, but I knew I could do it. That coffee at the end helped me out, but even without it, I was already ready to go. Just want to start the week off strong and, you know, put some numbers on the board. Might not be the highest numbers, but they're numbers nonetheless. Looks like we got an Expediter friend here. I'm gonna walk Bubba Joe and then go inside and end our day. Thanks for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe. I can't thank you guys enough for all the support you guys have been showing through donations and just through comments and interacting, listening to my music, sharing my videos on Facebook and on the groups and all that stuff to your friends. All of it accumulates and helps out big time. So thank you very much. You guys are the real rock stars. Well, actually, first is Bubba Joe, then you guys, and then me. So, actually, let me correct that. It's God first, then Bubba Joe, then you guys, then me. But other than that, have a great night, great day, whatever it is you're having. And I'll talk to you guys on the next episode of Expediting America. Peace.